The estimated average cost of a data breach in 2020 is set to exceed $150 million. We have to keep in mind that while penetration testing can expose a weak link, giving you an idea of where to tighten security, tests must be conducted on a regular basis to ensure that the company remains secure at all times. Testing will need to adapt by taking a more holistic approach to securing the supply chain. And what can come to your rescue is DevSecOps. It is vital in security by design to meet specific compliance regulations, and it can be achieved by implementing agile methodologies to speed up your system delivery. While DevOps combines software development and information technology operations to shorten the system's development, DevSecOps takes that process one step further by integrating security practices.